PD130FG40 by uscomponent.com. The PD130FG40 is a high-performance diode module from Sanrex, designed for efficient power rectification in industrial applications. Operating at 400V and 130A, it is ideal for motor drives, power supplies, and welding equipment. This module features a low forward voltage drop and fast recovery time, minimizing power loss and enhancing system efficiency. Its robust construction ensures reliable performance and long-term durability in demanding environments. The compact design facilitates easy installation and integration into various systems. Sanrex's commitment to quality and innovation makes the PD130FG40 a trusted choice for optimizing power conversion and boosting the performance of high-power electronic systems. Ready to buy PD130FG40? Please contact sales at uscomponent.com.